Hotpoint Aquarius washer dryer WDL540. The lint filter is down here. Normally there's a fascia cover in front of it, but this one doesn't have it. There's a big handle on it there, but it's easier to get a grip if you just use the back of a pliers or something like that. If you're indoors, this is going to make a mess. There's no money, unfortunately. Is there something there? The pump sounds a bit loose. So you can have a look in there and see if the blade spins freely and see if there's any snots in it. Like that. Let's get them off on the ground. Have a look at it, see how you feel about it. Push it in, twist it up, that's the job done. If your machine won't pump out or that, screw it up as tight as it'll go, snap the front cover back on if you've still got it. That's how you do the filter on these. If you like this video, give us a like, think about becoming a member of the channel, subscribe. Buy me a coffee if it's helped you, save you a fee on getting someone out to fix it. Look at the dirt on that. Or just leave a tip through PayPal or through Super Thanks on YouTube. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.